I would describe the performance of the Autotech interns as exceptional.
The fact that we can turn a car around in 45 minutes and they get the same level of service that they would have one technician, for me is a no-brainer.
My name's Cameron. I've completed the Autotech internship and I'm now working full-time at Stoneacre. I struggled to get employment before in the automotive trade, so this gave me a perfect opportunity to really get back into what I wanted to really be doing with my life. The support network around the Autotech interns is so ideal. We did bi-monthly meetings. We've also got the TXM trainer who is also always there. The infrastructure that we've got here for training is absolutely mind-boggling. It's absolutely crazy. I'm actually down at the Toyota Academy at Burnaston where I'm being trained to a Team 21 specification. If you're a centre on the fence about the Autotech and about TXM, I would say strongly consider it. In my eyes, it's a win-win. Everyone wins in this situation because you get your interns who get an opportunity to really get into the industry that they wanted to get into, and the dealer gets this whole new TXM process where they can really boost that efficiency score for themselves and really start getting cars through the door. After completing the Autotech internship, I'm still progressing my way through this journey that I'm on, becoming a full-on technician. And after that, I'm actually aiming to go for Pro Tech and Diag Tech and then even Master Tech. And then after that, I'm really wanting to get into maybe the training side of TXM and kind of go back into the TXM process as a trainer and try and help the next wave of chaps come through.
I am the workshop and technical training manager for Stoneacre, doing all of the TXM training across the Toyota sites. The approach we take is we make it very hands-on from the off. Day one, they're working on vehicles. We use all the Toyota training videos to explain what the process is. We then break it down for them and explain step by step how they will do it. I'm on site with them for approximately 4 weeks, show them the process. If there's any issues, we can explain to them there and then what the problems are. We found it very easy and very slick to get up and running. So, we do feel that any other centre should be able to achieve what we have achieved.
We came up with the idea of using Autotech interns because they have no preconceived idea. They come straight from a college, if you like, with no workshop experience.
We thought we could bring people in, teach them a very specific role that could obviously help us with efficiencies in the workshop.
We've selected a quality candidate that we knew would work, and alongside our in-house training, we've really made the process stick.
They are really, really good, and they can see the future, not just today.
What's made this process successful is making sure that everybody at the site has an open mindset and also employing our individual trainer. That's really made it stick within the centre.
The future of my business is the guys who are bringing in, and this is just another way that we can facilitate the customer.
Express maintenance is important for the future of Stoneacre for many reasons. The biggest reason is reacting to the ever-changing needs of our customers. What we've found is time for our customers is such a commodity. Utilising Autotech interns, if you consider they're doing a service in a fraction of the time that one person would do it, it's just allowed us to open up our workshop diaries so that we can book more cars in on an average day. Recruiting technicians is very, very difficult. So what we found was that if we could take on Autotech interns, we would be able to grow those interns ourselves. So as some of our master technicians start to retire, we'll have that young blood coming through, which will automatically replace it, and it's just going to be a constant cycle. If you want to increase your revenue, you want to increase your customer satisfaction scores, you want your workshop to be super efficient and have capacity to meet future needs, then I would absolutely recommend any centre bringing in an Autotech intern into their business.